Welcome to Magitoots. In today's tutorial we are going to have a look at how to create awesome looking banners in Canva. In fact, creating banners in Canva is a piece of cake. There are two great ways to create banners in Canva. The first one is by using Canva's very own banner templates, and the second one would be to actually start off with a blank project and then create amazing looking banners from scratch. In this tutorial we will cover both ways. And let's start with method number one, which is to create stunning looking banners based on banner templates. We are now here on Canva's very own homepage, and to search for templates, all that you need to do is to input banner here in the search field. And as you can see now immediately, Canva offers a lot of different banner templates that you can choose from. So let's suppose you would like to have a banner for your website, then you would probably like to go with a landscape banner. So we are clicking here on the first template. As you can see now, Canva is suggesting many different banner templates here, and at this moment you can simply select one of these that you like and then later adjust to your liking. In fact, all the elements that are visible here on these banners can be customized, and all the text can be adjusted and changed to your liking. We are now using Canva Free, so at this moment it is important to note that as we are now on Canva Free, which means the free version of Canva, we should definitely use one of the free templates. So how do you know if those templates are free? Well, when you hover over it with your mouse, you can see that in the lower right corner there are different symbols popping up. There are Canva Pro templates like this one here, there are paid templates like this one here, and then there are free templates. So in our case, we would like to use a free template. So we will browse through these templates here, and once we found a free one that we like, we will simply click on it. This Merry Christmas banner here looks pretty nice, so I will go with this one. I will simply click on that one. And now as soon as this banner is opened, we can actually adjust all of these elements to our liking. So for example, I maybe don't want this to say big sale, but just sale. So I will just change that into sale. Maybe I want to make it a little bit bigger as well, something like that. I'll just reposition that. Maybe we also have like an online shop, but we don't want to give like 50% off, but maybe just like 25%. So I would change that to 25%. And then also these decorative elements here, you can adjust them. You can make them bigger, for example. Maybe I just want to have one of these trees here, but a little bit bigger. Maybe the same here, I can adjust that, then move this star out of the way a bit, maybe make that one a little bit bigger too. And obviously at this point you can also go here to elements and you can add more elements to this design. So maybe you would like to have a couple more stars, so you could drag and drop those stars here in there. Maybe not in black, I will change the color here to white. Maybe make it a little bit smaller. I guess you get the idea. So here you can choose more elements from the Elements tab. In the Elements tab you can also search for, let's say, stars, and you will get a wide variety of different stars that you could add to your design. Or maybe you would like to have some more elements about Christmas, then you would simply search for Christmas and you will find lots of different elements that you could just simply drag and drop into your project here. So everything is very easy and very straightforward in Canva. Whenever you drop these elements here, you would also need to pay attention whether these elements are free like this one here or maybe paid like others. In case you see Pro, that means that you would need to have a Canva Pro license to use these elements. Well, actually you can also use these as a Canva free user, but once you want to download or print your design, and Canva will ask you to pay money for your design, because you're not supposed to use Pro elements on a free plan unless you are paying a flat fee to use these Canva Pro elements. However, in my opinion, this is usually not something that makes a lot of sense, because in most cases it will be much cheaper if you just change to a Canva Pro account and then you simply pay a monthly fee and all the Canva Pro elements can be used for free. In case you are indeed interested in becoming a Canva Pro member, please have a look at the description of this video, because there you will find a link for a Canva Pro trial trial, which in fact lets you try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, which is an awesome deal. I personally do use Canva Pro, and I actually use this on a daily basis. I'm a full-time digital publisher and blogger, and I literally use Canva Pro every single day for featured images in blog posts, for some artwork, for some banners, and countless other things. So I can highly suggest you to use Canva Pro. It just costs you something like $13 a month, and it comes with literally millions of pictures and amazing elements that you can use in your designs. Now, one important thing to note here is that we are actually having now a fixed size for our banner here, and as a Canva free user, you won't be able to adjust the size later on. So at the moment we have a size here of 6912 by 3456 pixels, and if you would like to resize this now, this would actually not work because resizing is a Canva Pro feature. However, the thing is now that if you already know the banner size before you actually start your Canva project, then this is not a real problem because you could simply make sure to start with the correct size already. So let me just go back to the home page here for a second. And let's say I already know that my banner should be 728 by 90 pixels. This is actually a very common banner size that is often used on websites. So in this case, I would go to create a design here in the top right corner. Then I would go to custom size. I would input 728 by 90 pixels. Then click on create a new design. And we are still in Canva free, as you can see, because here it says try Canva Pro. And as you can see now, we indeed have this banner size 728 pixels by 90 pixels. So please make sure to inform yourself well about the banner size that you actually need, and then make sure to start with the correct banner size, because again, if you don't have Canva Pro, you won't be able to change the size later on. Now, as we are working with 728 by 90 pixels, one cool feature of Canva is that Canva automatically understood what kind of format we are using here, and through their AI they are directly suggesting us awesome looking banners here, because the system recognized that 728 by 90 is definitely a size that people would choose whenever they would like to make banners. So here now we have amazing looking banners here, and they are all for free here as well, as far as I can see, or at least most of them. This one is a pro one here. So for example, this design here looks really good to me, and it's also free, as you can see here. So I will simply drag and drop that inside of my project. And once again here now you can reposition things, you can change the text here. You can change the rotation of these elements, of course. You can add new elements by going here to elements or even photos. You can also add new text, of course. You can change the background. You can do whatever you want to adjust your banners. You can also add pages here, of course. Then I'm going to add maybe another banner like that one here, maybe one more. This one is free as well, so I will just click on that. And now I already have like 3 completely different banners here. And this is obviously also nice to compare, maybe just do 3 of them with the same info and see which one looks best. And once your designs are finalized, again, simply click here on download, make sure to choose the correct file size, and then click on download. So that's it, guys. This is how you create awesome banners from pre-existing Canva banner templates. So now, as promised before, we will also have a look at how to create banners from scratch in Canva. For that purpose, I will go back to the home screen here. I will create a new design, and maybe let's choose yet another common banner size, which is a banner in portrait mode this time. I will click here on custom size, and I will go with a banner of 600 by 900 pixels. Here, once again, as soon as I decided on these dimensions, Canva is actually going to give us some nice suggestions, because they know that, yet again, 600 by 900 pixels is probably a design that will be used for banners or some other things that are suggested here. So their AI is actually making a pretty good job to make some really good suggestions based on the dimensions of your design. However, we said that this time we would like to design a banner from scratch, and that's exactly what we will do. So we will just safely ignore these suggestions here. So now let's suppose that I'm the proud owner of a plant website and I have an e-commerce store there and I would actually like to sell plants over my website. In that case, it would obviously be a good idea to create some awesome looking banners that help me sell my products. So to create our banner, first of all, I would probably head over to Photos here. I would search for plants, or let's say maybe house plants, because let's say my website is about house plants. And I'm now browsing through all these pictures of house plants and I'm trying to find something that looks nice that is actually free to use. I kinda like this one here, so I will just drag and drop that inside of my project. Well, actually that's not really as cool as I thought, so I will look for something else. Maybe let's try this one here. I think this one is pretty nice. So I will use this as my background here, but I obviously also need some text because I want to sell plants on my website, so I have to inform the people. So I will go to maybe elements first, have a look here, and I will just type in sale. Maybe they have some cool kind of sale image that I could use in this design here. And I'm just browsing through all these different elements here until I find something that I like. I actually kind of like this one here, and you can also see that this one here is free, so I'll just drag and drop that inside of my project here. I will resize it, maybe put that in the left corner, and now I'll head over to text. Now you can actually add text to your Canva design by adding a heading from here, drag and drop that inside of your project just like that. Another way to add text to your project is by simply pressing T on your keyboard. This will also create text that later on you can move around. You can also do this twice or 3 times to get like 3 different text boxes. Or you can also, under text here, you have different font combinations that will already give you a good idea how different fonts look together. So that can be a nice way to choose fonts as well. So let's just have a look if we can find something cool here that would match our design. Maybe let me try this one here. Oh, this is actually a Canva Pro element. I didn't know that, so I will just close that one. So let me try to find something that matches our design here. Again, we have to make sure it's a Canva free element so that we can use it here in our design without having to pay something. This neon style is something that I like, but it's probably not gonna look good here on our banner. So let me see. This one here, for example, is also for free. I will just drag and drop that inside of the project. And that looks actually not too bad. It's maybe not the best, but we can reposition that and resize it a little bit. As we already have this one here saying big sale, we probably want this to say something else, not wild sale. So maybe I will just change this here into free, and the sale I will change it into shipping. As it doesn't fit on one line, I will have to change the size here of that element. I will just change that into 50.5, for example. Now you can see that it indeed fits on one line. I will make it a bit smaller. Maybe reposition that here as well. Free shipping up to 50% off. Why not? I will just make this a little bit smaller. Well, this is obviously far from perfect, but I'm sure you get the idea. Like this, you can easily create your own banners from scratch. So I could simply duplicate this banner here by clicking on the duplicate page button. Then I could simply click here on the background and press the backspace button on my keyboard to remove that background. Then again, I will go to Photos and search for some other plants. For example, I can easily add maybe this one here. Now I can easily rearrange these elements and change the colors here because now our font is barely visible, so I would probably like to have that in white instead. The same goes with this shipping here. Put these 2 things in white. And maybe that one here, the last text, I will probably want to have that in something else, maybe in a yellow. Then I could make this a little bit bigger. Maybe I could remove that here altogether, just have something like that here. And sometimes in banners it's nice to have a person instead of some other elements, so why not under photos maybe search for woman. I'm just trying to find some images of women here that have actually no background, like these two for example, because this could look very nice in the design. Let me just try that. You see, something like that makes a big impression. However, in this case, this is a Canva Pro element, so that is not something that you should use here in your Canva free design. But maybe you could also find something like this for free. I didn't check this before, so this is something you can definitely check. And as mentioned before, if you would like to become a Canva Pro user, make sure to check the description of this video. There you can find a link that actually lets you try Canva Pro for free. It's a 30-day free trial. I highly suggest you to become a Pro member because so many of these photos and elements are only for Canva Pro users. So if you're serious about your designs, Canva Pro is actually pretty amazing. Also, a feature that you can use with Canva Pro is that you can basically take any of these pictures here with backgrounds and you could remove the background very easily. So that means you could take whatever picture with a woman here that you would like, and then you can simply remove the background and you will be left only with the woman. So you could actually layer that here on top of that awesome plant picture and it would make a really good impression. But yes, as we don't have that now, we could also go back to elements, search for something else, maybe for plant again, and maybe I will find here some nice plants. Maybe I will just choose an element like this one here. I'll put that on top of my design. And like that, you could get an awesome looking banner. I could also duplicate this a couple of times, then maybe just rearrange it a little bit. And as you can see, there are really endless ways you can combine all these elements together. Even on Canva Free, there are almost endless ways you can put these elements together to make for awesome looking art, and in this case, banners. So once your designs are finished, once again, to download them, click here on download, decide on the file type. If you would like to have a better looking picture, then go for PNG. If you care more about the fast loading speed, for example on your website, it's better for you to choose JPEG because this will result in a much smaller file size, which is obviously very good for the site speed of your website. So I usually go with JPEG whenever I use pictures for my blogs and websites. So that does the trick in most of the cases. So you could simply switch over here to JPEG. You can then also download all of your banners at the same time, or you can also decide to just download one for now. Maybe I will just like to have the first one, so I will deselect all pages here, just select page 1, go on done. And then once you're ready, simply click on download and the banner will immediately be downloaded to your hard disk. And that's it, guys. I hope you did indeed enjoy this video. If you did, I would be most grateful if you could subscribe to my channel, and in that case, please don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a great day, guys. Bye.